Hi guys!
Hi guys! Thank you, Daddy.
Okay. You remember your piano, ate? Do you know how to tugtog that?
Yeah,
Sige.
my piano. Thank you, Mommy, so much. Me, Atu.
The blessing isn't a blessing if it costs you your health. The blessing isn't a blessing if it costs you your family.
Yes.
The blessing isn't a blessing if it costs you your children.
You get the seed planted in your heart, not wayside, not stony, not thorny. Good ground.
So dahil wala kayong may vlog, ang vlog namin ngayon ay the things we do on Sundays. Pupunta kami ng Dubai, America, Africa, na nandito ka lang sa Pilipinas. Kasi di ba Africa, look. Tada! So guys, galing na rin kami ng China. Look, Chinese New Year na ngayon dito sa China. Happy Chinese New Year! So pag uwian dahil walang tulog, ayan. Siya. Tinotopak. So that's about our Sundays. Dahil wala kami ma-vlog at si Jenna nangulit ng i-vlog. So nag-vlog kami ng kahit ano na lang.